AMOLED screen, 90 hertz, a refreshing thing. Where I'm from, it's X and O's. Overseas, got immensity. Things look sweet when it's full HD. Sending shots to the Moto G50 MP for your photo needs. Take all my shots with the clarity. Glass screen with that plastic back, but it's still looking sexy. No headphone jack and these big bezels, thank God it's still dirt cheap. They said, oh damn, the phone is dirt cheap, even if your pockets ain't really deep. When hopped online, I'm copping me 3, cause they only cost me $170 each. Not the best, not the greatest, price is crazy, a little bit outrageous. Not much change when they turn the pages. From the A15, it's really nothing major. Call me a hater, but I don't see enough change of paper to recommend it in good conscience. You should keep your phone and upgrade later. Or upgrade now, you don't have to be a cash cow. Just make sure what you switch from has worse specs to make it worthwhile. Still versatile, big battery, it'll go the mile. You need a phone under 200 now, here's something pretty good with the specs and style. A16 with AMOLED screen, 90 hertz, a refreshing thing. Where I'm from, it's X and O's. Overseas, got immensity. Things look sweet when it's full HD. Sending shots to the Moto G50 MP for your photo needs. Take all my shots with the clarity.
I'm just gonna play the.
Still versatile, big battery, it'll go the mile. You need a phone under 200 now. Here's something pretty good with the specs and style. 16 with AMOLED screen.